For dirt bikers, having the right gadgets can enhance safety, improve performance, and make every ride more enjoyable. These essential tools and accessories can transform your biking experience, ensuring you're always prepared for the challenges ahead. Number 15. Acerbis handguards. When it comes to dirt biking, protection and performance are paramount. Acerbis stands out as a reputable brand in the industry, offering a wide array of high-quality dirt bike parts, including their renowned handguards. Designed to provide excellent protection without sacrificing style, Acerbis handguards feature robust construction to withstand impacts, adjustable mounting systems for a perfect fit, and a lightweight design that enhances maneuverability. Additionally, they boast a sleek aerodynamic profile that reduces wind resistance and comes in various colors and designs, allowing riders to customize their look. With their stylish finishes and customizable options, Acerbis handguards are essential for riders looking to enhance their riding experience while ensuring their safety on the trail. Additionally, they boast a sleek aerodynamic profile that reduces wind resistance and comes in various colors and designs, allowing riders to customize their look. With their stylish finishes and customizable options, Acerbis handguards are essential for riders looking to enhance their riding experience while ensuring their safety on the trail. Number 14. GREHUA Bike Engine Skid Plate. High-quality pit bike engine skid plate designed to offer maximum protection for your Honda CRF50, XR50, Apollo, SSR, Coolster, Tau DB17, and more. Built to fit a wide range of 50cc to 140cc pit dirt bikes, this skid plate is compatible with popular brands like Apollo, Coolster, SSR, Thumpstar, Piranha, and many Chinese models. Crafted from thickened aluminum, it provides excellent wear and high temperature resistance, safeguarding your engine from rocks, debris, and other hazards on the trail. Keep your engine protected and your ride smooth with this durable, easy to install skid plate. Number 13. SK7-in-1 Ratcheting Screwdriver. For a dirt bike rider, this versatile ratcheting screwdriver is a game changer. Whether you're fixing loose fasteners on the bike or making quick adjustments on the trail, the SK7-in-1 ensures you have the right tool on hand. Its high torque and precision make it ideal for tuning up components, while the durable construction guarantees it can withstand the rugged demands of off-road maintenance. Plus, the compact built-in bit storage means you can keep all essential bits at your fingertips, making it perfect for on-the-go repairs. The screwdriver shafts and bits offer superior impact strength compared to most CRV steels, making them ideal for heavy-duty tasks. The 6-pawl design delivers almost twice the torque, and with 216 positions, it allows for a minimal 1.7-degree swing, making it highly effective in tightening or loosening fasteners with minimal effort. Number 12. Universal Dirt Pit Bike LED Headlight. The dual 16 LED dirt bike headlight offers universal fitment for most dirt bikes, enduro bikes, and motorcycles. With 16 super bright LEDs, it provides excellent visibility for night riding, ensuring safety even in low light conditions. Made from durable plastic material, this headlight is designed to last. While installation is straightforward, a slight modification may be required for a perfect fit on most bikes. The headlight operates on DC current and is available in 3 colors: black, white, and orange, giving riders customization options. It is also waterproof, ensuring reliability in all weather conditions. This headlight is an ideal choice for dirt bike riders, as its bright LED lights ensure better visibility during night rides, while its durable construction makes it perfect for the rugged conditions of off-road adventures. Number 11. MasterLink Press Tool. The MasterLink Press Tool makes removing your MasterLink quick and hassle-free. This essential tool allows you to easily press on and off your MasterLink without the usual frustration, making it a must-have for any workshop. Designed specifically for 50 series chains, it features hardened steel pins for reliable, long-lasting use, and is crafted from billet aluminum with an anodized black finish for durability. Number 10. TPI Oil Filler Sleeve. Designed to protect your 2-stroke oil filler from dirt and mud buildup, ensuring that debris doesn't enter the oil tank. Made from semi-flexible polyurethane, the sleeve slides easily over the oil filler cap, effectively eliminating the gap beneath it where mud and dirt typically accumulate. It is quick and easy to install and is available in 4 colors for KTM, Husqvarna, and Gas models. This oil filler sleeve is a great addition for any rider, as it helps maintain the cleanliness and efficiency of your bike's oil system. Number 9. OINKER Chain Oiler. Upscale your motorcycle maintenance by offering a precise and even application of lubricant to both sides of the chain, making it an essential tool for any rider. It minimizes overspray, keeping your swing arm, rear tire, and brakes clean from excess chain lube. This tool is designed to apply lubricant to both sides of the link plates, providing better coverage, a longer soaking in time, and reduced dripping. Constructed from chemical-resistant, glass-filled nylon, it's durable and built for repeated use. Please note, the chain lube can is not included. Elevate your motorcycle maintenance routine with a chain oiler that ensures a precise application of lubricant to both sides of the chain. Number 8. GPS Holder J-Mount. The updated J-Mount GPS holder is now 50% lighter than its original silicone-based model, thanks to a patented blend of polypropylene and TPE. This new material enhances vibration dampening while significantly cutting down on weight, making it ideal for rugged use. Although it may slightly compromise the durability of the original design, the weight reduction is perfect for those prioritizing performance, especially racers. Installation is straightforward, requiring just two 3mm bolts, and the versatile clamshell design allows for easy mounting on various surfaces. Number 7. Fuel Pump Transfer Kit. Now we have the Fuel Pump Transfer Kit, and it offers a quick solution for transferring fuel from TPI and TBI fuel-injected motorcycles, ideal for both trail and workshop use. This compact lightweight kit includes a 1-meter polyurethane fuel pipe and a cable that powers the fuel pump directly from the battery, bypassing the need for the starter motor. Simply disconnect the fuel line, plug in the transfer hose, and attach the clips to the battery terminals to start pumping. It transfers 1 liter of fuel in 37 seconds, providing an efficient way to manage fuel. Number 6. CAMELBAK HYDROBAK Hydration Pack. When looking for a lightweight hydration solution tailored for short cycling trips, consider a pack designed for efficiency and simplicity. Equipped with a 1.5-liter reservoir, it ensures easy water access during your ride, delivering more hydration per sip while being quick to load and refill. The design focuses on comfort with breathable mesh harnesses and a secure zippered pocket for essentials like keys. Whether it's a 2-hour adventure or a casual ride, this hydration pack combines practicality with comfort, keeping you refreshed without added bulk. Number 5. GLX GX 623 Dirt Bike Helmet. This helmet combines safety, lightweight design, and impact absorption to exceed DOT standards. It features a high-quality EPS liner throughout the chin bar for enhanced protection. Its aerodynamic shell is equipped with an advanced cooling system, boasting 14 intake and exhaust vents for maximum airflow. The multi-density EPS liner further optimizes ventilation. For a wide peripheral view, it has a secure opening, and the adjustable shatter-resistant visor is mounted with high-grade steel screws for protection against debris. The helmet also includes an advanced mouth guard, aluminum mesh screens, a quick-release chin strap, and fully removable, washable microfiber inner material, offering a perfect balance of style, safety, and comfort. Number 4. AIRBRAKE MX Goggles. When it comes to dirt biking, having reliable eye protection is crucial for safety and performance. Fogged up goggles can severely impair your vision, making it difficult to navigate trails or react to sudden obstacles. These goggles are designed to ensure clear vision even in the toughest riding conditions. With advanced anti-fog technology and a robust lens construction, they provide exceptional visibility during intense activities. Whether you're tackling muddy trails or riding in unpredictable weather, the Oakley AIRBRAKE MX goggles not only combat fogging, but also feature a comfortable fit and superior lens clarity, allowing you to focus on the ride ahead. With these goggles, you can ride confidently. Number 3. MUC-OFF Biochain Cleaner. Specially designed to effectively and safely eliminate heavy chain grime using advanced solvents. Its unique formulation breaks down oil and grease, ensuring the entire chain is left clean and free from contaminants. This biodegradable cleaner rapidly removes dirt, oil, and grime, is safe for all chain types, and features a water-soluble formula for easy rinsing. By cutting through grease, it reduces friction and eliminates contaminants safely, making it ideal for road, mountain, and cyclocross bikes. Additionally, it is compatible with the MUC-OFF Biochain dock for added convenience. Number 2. XTRIM PROTEKT Bike Riding Gloves. Ideal for dirt bikers, these gloves offer a perfect combination of protection, comfort, and functionality, allowing riders to stay connected while enjoying their adventures on the trails. These gloves are constructed from a blend of highly abrasive and resistant polyester material with suede padding on the palm to enhance the biking experience. They feature thermoplastic rubber, TPR protectors at the knuckles for maximum joint protection and anti-collision safety. The sloping finger knuckles provide additional safety while allowing flexibility in movement. With brushed inner panels, the gloves offer comfort and effective sweat absorption, keeping them odor-free. Designed with pre-curved fingers, they promote a natural grip and reduce fatigue during rides. Number 2. TCCBAC Tire Inflator. This electric air compressor can swiftly inflate a 19555R16 tire from 24 to 36 psi in just seconds, making it 35% more efficient, with accuracy up to 150 psi suitable for road and mountain bikes. It features an automatic shutoff function with 4 preset inflation modes for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and balls, allowing for easy selection and hassle-free inflation. Powered by a robust 6,000 mAh lithium-ion battery, it can fully inflate up to 10 road bike tires or 2 car tires on a single charge, achieving full capacity in just 3 hours. The user-friendly design includes a large LCD screen for switching between pressure units, a built-in LED flashlight, and a deflate button for quick adjustments. This compact and efficient tire inflator is ideal for dirt bikers and other riders. Thanks for watching.